Hello, in this video I want to show you how to begin anti-allergic program in Electrolux TimeCare 500. To do this, first we'll need to turn our knob into the anti-allergic program, and it's located right here. Then we can change the temperature by clicking on the temperature button, or actually you can't, sorry. So the temperature is set to 60 degrees. Then there's rotation speed. You can adjust it by clicking on this button and see it change right there. There's also option to adjust the time, but in this case it's not available. Pre-wash right here with those four buttons. First one is pre-wash. You'll be able to activate or deactivate. Delayed time, that means you'll be able to delay the start of a program. For example, we can set it to 2 hours, and after that time has passed, the program should begin. Easier ironing is not available, and extra rinse is available. That means you can activate or deactivate it. When everything is finished, click on the start or pause button to begin your program, if the time is not delayed, obviously. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.